Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Andrea, better known as Dreya, and today I am going to be showing you guys how I achieved this cute, simple, with like a little pop of color, this little makeup look that I did here. Yeah, so it is a makeup tutorial. It has been so long since I've done a makeup tutorial, and so long since I have been glammed up, and I did the whole nine. My hair is done, makeup done. So yeah, I feel like you guys deserved it. The last couple of videos were kind of just like thrown together because they were reaction videos, and I didn't really want to get up and do like the whole works and everything. I have been extremely busy, so I haven't had the time to really sit down and do a sit down video for you guys. So that is what I'm doing today. So yes, this is a makeup tutorial. I'm so excited. Yes, so here's the look. It has just like some gold in the inner corner and some blue underneath the eyes. These are the most cutest lashes. I love these lashes so much. These scream cat eye. Okay, they're extremely long. Okay, I'm not used to long lashes like this, but they are extremely long, but they are so cute. Yes, so I'm so excited to be back and doing videos like this with the whole lighting setup and doing my makeup and everything. So I'm very excited for you guys to see today's video. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. If you liked it, please be sure to leave a comment and like this video, and also subscribe and make sure you hit the bell notification just so that you guys will never miss another video from me again. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media. My Instagram is Makeup by Dreya, and my Twitter is Makeup by Dreya. My Facebook is Makeup by Dreya as well. So make sure you follow me on all my social media so that you can kind of keep up with what I'm doing in my day-to-day. Not that my day-to-day is really that interesting. But yeah, make sure you guys follow me over there, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.